Hey guys, it's finally nice weather here in the Seattle area, and that means one thing. I really gotta wash the Jeep. Just one little problem. I didn't have a decent pressure washer, so I got this.
The Ava Go Plus washer with shotgun adapter and suction hose. This XL bundle comes with everything you need to become an at-home detailer. So let's break open the box and see what comes inside. Once Loki has a chance to look, we find the user manual, zero force gun, microfiber mop with water flow for tough dirt, a number of different nozzles, the premium phone cannon, extendable zoom lance, 40-foot flexible hose with quick connect endings, and of course the pressure washer itself. The Ava Go Plus is super light, looks good, and has simple controls. There's space to store the nozzles and extendable lance built in. Built with a quality shell and replaceable components, the Ava Go Plus comes with a 10-year factory warranty. Included are 15-degree, 25-degree, 40-degree, and 60-degree nozzles, as well as the turbo nozzle. The simple design makes it super easy to move around. So let's get this super long power cable plugged in so that we can test it out. First, we need to grab the zero force gun and attach the extendable zoom lance. Just place this end into the gun, twist, and then turn the cover to lock it in place. The lance is easy to extend, just twist and pull it out. Do the same to retract it. Next, we can fill up our foam cannon with our chosen soap. It's conveniently labeled in a number of ways to make getting the right soap to water mixture a breeze. Once filled, grab the cap and screw it on. Now we can undo our hose and get everything connected to the Ava Go Plus. The 40-foot flexible hose uses quick connect endings to connect to the Ava Go Plus and to the zero force handle. Now we can grab and connect our hose to the Ava Go Plus. Next, connect the zero force handle to the hose. With everything set up, we're ready to turn on the water. Now just turn on the unit and we're ready to go. I'll start by testing out the 15-degree nozzle. Wow, easy to see that 1800 psi at work. Might need something a little wider for the Jeep though, so let's swap out to the 60-degree nozzle. Nice, much better. Now we're ready to put it to work by rinsing off the Jeep. The Ava Go Plus is surprisingly strong and quiet despite its small size. Now let's test out that foam cannon. With everything adjusted, we get a nice, thick, even foam from this gun. The thick foam makes it easy to wash off heavy dirt, but also to make sure that you get every piece of the Jeep covered. Time to switch back to the 60-degree nozzle and rinse her off. The Ava Go Plus is more than strong enough to remove heavy grime and feels like being at a pro car wash at home. So with the Jeep clean, let's check out the shotgun adapter. The shotgun adapter lets you use the zero force handle without a long lance. So let's test it out and see how it does. Using the 60-degree nozzle again. Wow, nice, that would have been great when washing the Jeep. Next up is the suction hose with non-return valve. This hose lets you pull water from a bucket, lake, or any other water source to use your Ava Go Plus while on the go. All in all, this compact pressure washer kit gives you all the advantages of a larger machine with the convenience of being portable. Get yours using the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.